bleach, and I'm just going to put them this way. So I'll spin it twice and I'll press the start button. This is how I use the spin only feature in the Hisense top loader washing machine. So I've got some clothes that I soaked in bleach, and I'm just going to put them this way. So I've washed them. Actually, I soaked them in a bucket of water of bleach, and I've rinsed them in clean bucket of water. So I just want to spin them now because they are dripping wet. You understand, they are dripping wet. So I'm just going to go here, put on the power button and come to spin. Let me see, I want to spin it. Okay, the lowest is twice, to spin it twice. So I'll spin it twice and I'll press the start button. It's going to last for 4 minutes. I'm going to check if I can change this temperature. I can't change it. So that's ended, and let's watch. See, super dry. Super dry. Super dry. So that's how I use the spin feature, guys.